Ginger and its health benefits. 1. Digestive health. Ginger is widely known for helping with digestive issues. It can reduce nausea and vomiting, especially morning sickness in pregnancy or after surgery. Help with motion sickness. Aid digestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach, which can relieve discomfort from indigestion or bloating. 2. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that have anti-inflammatory properties. It may help reduce muscle pain and soreness from exercise, relieve joint pain associated with osteoarthritis. 3. Cold and flu. Relief. Ginger has warming effects and can help boost circulation. It may reduce symptoms of the common cold or flu, soothe a sore throat. 4. Heart and blood sugar support. Some studies suggest ginger may help lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, reduce cholesterol levels, and support heart health. 5. Antioxidant and cancer-related research. Ginger contains antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Early research indicates it may help reduce inflammation linked to chronic diseases, support cancer prevention, although more research is needed to confirm its effects. How to use ginger. Fresh ginger in teas, smoothies, or cooking, dried or powdered ginger in recipes. Ginger supplements after consulting a healthcare provider, especially for children, pregnant women, or people on medication. Caution, ginger is generally safe in moderate amounts, but too much can cause heartburn, diarrhea, or interact with blood-thinning medications.